Hello everyone. Dear students, this is a tutorial video for increasing and decreasing the size of an image which you want to insert in your web page or HTML document. So let's start. As you know that we have to start with HT, we have to start with Notepad, and Notepad we have to open from here or another way maybe there. I have already typed an HTML document for showing you, uh, that is this. I have already typed for you. So first of all, what you have to see, just see HTML head, title, head and body. All these are fundamental text which we have to use while we are going to create any HTML document, because this is this is a document which is related to the height and width, and these are attributes of img tag. In the first video of part second, in the first video means part first a, that was related to how to insert an image in the foreground, and in the second video of it we came to know how to align it. If we want to put it on the right side, top side, left side or anywhere or center side, then we have to use the align, and then we have to use the value. And here we are going to know how to reduce or how to edit the image height and width. We can decrease and we can increase the size of the image. We are going to know in this video. So a very good morning, dear students. This is an HTML document created to explain you how to use height and width attributes for images. Now let us see a default image. I want to show you that these are two images have been inserted. The first one is this and the second one is this. You can see img src tag has been put here. It means one image has been inserted over here. Okay, but one difference you will see that here this is not, this is a default image. You will see this is a default image. Yes, this is a default image, and this is a changed or increased or edited. Here we have used what? Height and width attributes. So the same image you will see there. I want to show you, and then I will change, and again I will show you. So now let us see the result. Already I have saved it. As you know, whenever you want to access any web page, then you have to save it with a particular name and with the extension name. This is the HTML document which I have saved over here. Now you can see this is the default image. The size of this image is actually this, but if we change it, if now I want to show once again to you that here this is a default size. You can see this is a default size, and here we have used what? 100 by 100. The height should be 100 and width should be 100. If we will change anything, we will change the value of this, then you will see the result. What result will be there? Suppose this is the 100 by 100, but I have done suppose here 150. Okay, and then save it, Control S, and then again I have refreshed it. Then you will see the size of it. Again, if I will do it, suppose this is 100 and I will do it here 250, then Control S and then refresh. Control S for saving, and then you will see the changes here. The changes you will see over here. Just see and look at it. As soon as I will refresh it, and the size of this image will change, because their width I have changed. The image means I have changed the there was 100 pixels were kept, but I have given 250. Can you see? Yes, these are 250s I have given. So now I am going to refresh it. Just see. Okay, now you will see the size have been changed. So as per the requirement, as you want, you can change. You can insert any other image also. Different images can be inserted, but I have inserted the same image to show you that this is the default size of the image, and here we have changed the image by using the height and width attribute of img tag. Thank you and have a nice day.